General Treatment Products video training series. We're going to introduce ourselves to the W100 controller. My name is Jim. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of talk a little bit about the components available on your W100 series controller. You can see that the W100 series does come complete and can be ordered with the flow switch and backboard. In this case, we're using that. Sometimes it'll just come with the flow, with the sensor. Currently, we have it in some solution just for display and working purposes. The display may not be exactly what's on the standard model, but this is, you have a nice backlit display, a menu and menu buttons, and a home button. Very nice. Power switch is on the bottom of it. Bolted closure is bolted shut, seal tight DMA 4X, and available through General Treatment Products is our Manifold Series for controllers. Inlet isolation, and a bolt strainer, single injection port, which you can get more injection ports, and an outside the outlet isolation valve. W100 series and W600 series, or their new controllers, are all built on a universal platform. So a little bit different than the way they used to work, where it was just one big continuous menu that answered all of your questions, inputs and outputs. They've separated the two systems, inputs and outputs. Inputs, you'll see sensors, flow switch, flow meter, digital inputs, and things like that. And outputs, that's where you'll find your relays for your pumps, your control valves, and your analog signals. So in a sense, this machine and the universal platform is for connectivity and doing cooling towers. But if I had one out there in the field, I could put a PA sensor to it and it would, do pH or do pH control. The universal platform puts all of it in there, which does make it confusing, but it also makes it very, very versatile. A lot of times we use that for filling orders. Everything's in there. We can just fill it up, put the right sensor to it, and away we go. The walk-in W100 is versatile, on occasion complicated, but in the next video series you should see how to operate it, how to make it work, and the shortcuts to it. Very good, let's get started.